Hi, right, back part 2 of the napkins on baskets or baskets with napkins. So, remember this one? Remember I had to redo one of the skulls? So, there it is, and it's in the process of drying. But these are all dry, as you can hear. Yep. This one is not. You can hear the difference. I haven't done anything on the inside, but you can see how solid they are. Alright, so that is now dry, perfect. You can put stuff inside of it now. It's spot on. Alright. That's how it goes, all nice, and that won't come off now. And that's finished. And I mean, great for Halloween, obviously. But if somebody's into their skulls and stuff, perfect. And this one, because I had a bit of an accident here with it, what I decided to do, I decided to put the eyes as if they're coming out of the exhaust, which I thought was a quirky little thing. Also, while I was away, I also did this one with the butterflies. Now this one, as you can see, is nice and hard. It's finished, it's dry. Obviously, otherwise I wouldn't be able to do this. And I've done butterflies all the way around. Isn't that a beautiful one? Now, this one I used fabric Mod Podge, hence why it's not shiny. I've put the bottle away again now. That's stupid of me, I know, I do apologise. But how pretty does that look? But I've also done, now I've only just finished on the inside of this, hence why it's still a bit gleamy, wet. So I can, the flowers I did earlier, and I think that one, but these three I've just popped on. So these three butterflies are still wet. I added a bit there to it as well because that was lifting a little bit. I hadn't done it properly there. But I mean, just to pop, I don't know. Let me get one of the other baskets that I'd already done. Here we go. So for instance, these ones that I made last week or the week before, I mean, you can see like those two are the same size. Putting stuff in them, they hold quite a bit of few bits and bobs. Yeah, the sweet jars, for instance. So you know that's the very large, that is the 16-ounce glitter. You've all seen these sweetie jars. So I've got one of those in there. That's this larger size one. I'm trying to see what else I can put in here. That's, you've all got, you know, when you're looking for something, you can't find it, can you? Here we go. I've got a bottle of sock stop here, which I use, obviously. What's this one? There we go. Pin Flare All Stick Multi-Purpose Glue. It's the 82ml bottle. But you see, look how much space I've still got here. These are just craft stuff. But now imagine, oh, I've got a bottle of Collall there. Yep, Collall Multi-Purpose. But look at still all the space I've got here. And they take the weight with ease. So you can fit a lot in these little things. They're great. I think they are anyway. But now imagine making one of these for a Christmas box. How nice would that be? I think it'd be lovely. And put in, I don't know, the favourite bath time stuff, for instance. Or sweets. Imagine getting loads of sweets in these. Funny enough, I haven't got any sweets in here this week. Or you could actually just put sweets in on their own. As in loose sweets. Oh, yeah, yum. I've got some Werthers here. I've got a little jar full, which I have. But you imagine, I'll put them in the little one actually, rather than the bigger one. So you imagine having a basket full of sweets. These are just... And how nice. I mean, that doesn't even... My little's only a tiny jar. But having a basket full of sweets, and it's a basket you've decorated yourself, how nice would that be on the side? I just think they're great. I really do. So, that's how you make your baskets. That's how versatile they can be. By the way, these sugar-free ones are really, really good. They really are. They're tiny, but they pack a really nice taste. Maybe you can keep your sponges in there, you know, for your stamping sponges. All different things you can put in them. All different things. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Like I say, it wasn't my idea. It wasn't my whatever. But I love making them. I still maintain, I think, now you see, I don't know whether my favourite one now is the chicken basket, where I've done the handles, because she's so cute. Or is it the Halloween car? I don't know which one's my favourite now. You decide which one you like the best, because I've got 4 or 5 made now, and yeah, a lot of presents. Anyway, thanks very much for joining me today. Sorry it took so long. And I hope you have a go. If you need any help, or if you need to know where I've got the stuff here in England, please don't hesitate to give me a shout. I mean, there's another big one with the birds. Isn't that just so cute, with the little blue tits and the flowers? All right, just look, aren't they just so cute? That again hasn't got anything on the inside, but yeah, like I say, I really do enjoy making these. Let's try and pan this out a little bit so you get to see more of them. No, because they're only sort of half and half now, aren't they? Yeah. Oh well, never mind. They're there, and that's the main thing. So again, I thank you very much for your time today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. The next thing I'm going to do, fingers crossed, it'll be something a bit different completely, and I hope you'll join me. And if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. So bye for now.